As an active practitioner, I think most of the time that your cerebral cognitive obligations to make the right decisions for the right scientific reasons predominate. They have to. But the softer from the heart stuff is there. Yes, that's why you went into medicine. But you don't have the opportunity to make that part of it known to the patient. That's what this is all about, to try and impart that sense of caring to them. And patients get that. Patients sense that. And patients appreciate that a lot.
Patient Partners is a volunteer program of retired doctors and nurses who share their caring wisdom to help patients and families balance the overwhelming aspects of a hospital stay. Founded by retirees Jamie Gavisser and Sharon Mertz, the Patient Partners program is a unique treasure which serves a complementary yet essential role within Abbott Northwestern.
There's so many people that see these patients every day. I mean, the physicians, the nurses, the nurse aides, physical therapy, all these people. But the patient partner is one person that isn't involved in all of the care. Someone that's there just to visit them, to find out how they are, to listen to them, and just be there for them. They need that, and they really like it.
The guiding philosophy of Patient Partners is to be in the moment and follow the patient's lead as to what may be of comfort during this challenging time.
Every patient has a story, and it's really interesting to begin to tease the stories out. You can listen, you can comment, you can synthesize for them, and you can simplify sometimes, allowing the softer side of caring nurses and doctors to bubble up to the top for a change.
Activities vary from simple care measures, answering general medical questions, routing specific questions to the patient's nurse, or empathetic listening.
There's no substitute for people who have experience at the bedside. When you've lived your life taking care of people, you develop reflexes, you develop a sensitivity to their needs that is very hard for people who haven't been involved in that world to have. So the patient partner can empathize, understand what they're going through, bringing them comfort and being a real part of a team that's caring for that patient.
Patient partners make a difference for our patients, their families, and our care teams.
It just takes some pressure off of the bedside nurse, knowing that we have someone that can actually meet some more of their emotional needs that they have.
When I ask patient partners to see one of my patients, I find by the time I come to see the patient later that day or the next day, that it's a lot easier for me to focus on where we are now and what are the next steps and answer the questions, because a lot of their emotional needs have been met.
The unique vantage point of Patient Partners helps us to provide the best of whole person care.
I think patient partners, by looking at the patient as a whole, by filling potentially a void in the care that can sometimes fall between the cracks, particularly in a longer hospitalization, is an important part of that team of caring individuals.
I think it's an extraordinary gift. It's an extraordinary gift of their time and their talent.
I can't even express how rewarding it is. It gives me goosebumps sometimes.
I hope I've given something to patients. I think I have, but my God, I got a lot back.